Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to Freelance Vibes YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can find trending design on Redbubble and how you can create them. These designs are very simple and you don't need to be a good designer to create these type of designs. So before starting the video, I highly suggest you to subscribe my channel because I create videos related to Redbubble and freelancing. So if you're interested in freelancing stuff and creating some bucks online, then do consider subscribing. So there is an option to find trending designs on Redbubble. Redbubble suggests you which designs are trending and you can create similar designs to get sales. So first you have to open Redbubble and just go to the search bar and write any specific character like A. Now you can see there are 3 keywords which are trending on Redbubble today. So for example, if we click Anbu, and what is that? I don't know exactly. There are almost 2600 designs and you can create these type of designs to get sales. But this design is little bit hard if you are not designer. So let's find another keyword. So we write let's suppose J, and you can see Jesus is my superhero. So just click Jesus is my superhero and let's see. Now you can see there is 646 results and there is a very less competition of this keyword on Redbubble. So now what type of designs you can create? You just create text designs like this one. There is no copyright on these type of designs, so be careful if there is any copyright on any specific design, then you should leave that design and find another keyword. And there are a lot of opportunities for you. If you can see, people are selling these type of designs and they are getting good number of sales because this keyword is trending on Redbubble. If you see that there is a high competition in t-shirts, then you can create caps, you can create stickers, you can create other type of products and just focus on that type of products because there is a less competition. There is a small option of filter. Now it is showing us most relevant product, but if we click here and click trending, now you can see it will show only those products which are trending and which products are getting good number of sales. So this design is difficult, but these 2 designs are very simple. So let's find another keyword. Let me type P. Now you can see there is another keyword, panda lovers. You can click here and let's see. Oh, it's a very highly competitive keyword which we shouldn't be targeting because it has 24,000 results. But you can see there are other keywords and suggestions are there. You can just click any of the keyword here. Let me click panda bubble tea. Now you can see the competition has lowered down and now there is only 1600 results. We mostly target those type of keywords which has almost 200 to 600 results. So let's find something else. Okay, I'm going to click our table is broken and this keyword is also in trending. And now you can see these type of designs are really simple. I highly suggest you to create only text designs because if you change the font of your text a little bit, then there is no copyright on these type of products. So for example, you can see there is a first product which is sticker and you can create it on canva.com. It is really simple. And this keyword has only 401 results. It is amazing because I already told you that you have to target less competitive keywords and this keyword is very less competitive. There are some other suggestions up there. You can click any of this, for example elf on the shelf, and now you can see it has 408 results which are also a less competitive keyword. And you must create at least 100 to 150 designs to get good number of sales on Redbubble. If you're thinking that you created 1 design, 2 design, even 10 designs and you're not getting sales, then it means you need to create more designs if you're not promoting your designs on social media. If you promote them on social media, then there are high chances that you get good number of sales. In my upcoming videos, I will show you how you can promote Redbubble products to your Pinterest account. I'm already getting huge number of sales just because of Pinterest. I will show you in the next video. So if you like this idea, just subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.